Okay. Hi guys, this is MacTech TikTok Super Slime Special Part 2, and this is a remake because we deleted the last video. We haven't published to YouTube yet. We made it longer than we made it longer than 15 minutes, so we had to delete it in my gallery. Now we have to make this one. I said we didn't publish it to YouTube yet. We didn't publish the old version yet, so this is like the new version now. What happens if you cut slime? Yeah. Super Slime Special Part 2 with Maui Friends 8, 9. Sorry, I'm talking in a very dull voice because this video is going to be a little bit dull. Well, maybe pretty exciting. What? I think my video published. Nope. Haven't published yet. I was just looking at my notifications. Are you putting away all the slime now?
No.
It's gonna be kind of dull. I think we're gonna make clear slime and put mud. Literally mud in it. Really? Guys! Wow! You keep dropping the slime. Okay. Guys want some milk? Really, it's milk. I didn't really drink it. It's slime. Fluffy slime. It's my fluffy slime. No pony takes it. Why did I say no pony? I don't freaking know because I'm so fucking... Okay, whatever. Maybe let's keep an eye on the time because I can't make videos. I'm playing with this one. I'm playing with it. I can't. No. Why? Because. I love this slime so much. And why can't I play with it? Because I'm playing with it. I'll just wait. Play with some other slime. It's like all I got is this clear slime. You can play with the other slimes, but not this slime because it makes a mess. Do you like that it has like some blue glitter in it?
Mhm.
I assume I can't play with this one either. No, I'm gonna do something with it. It's like having all the glitter go to the bottom. You see that?
Mhm.
I'm making all the glitter go to the bottom, and then it's gonna be clear on the top or clear in the middle. See that? So I'm gonna take some time for it to do that before I play with it. Other slime. Phew. Thank you. You can play with that one. You can also play with my the green slime. Okay, where is it? Oh. How can you make slime that way? Because whenever I make clear slime, it just turns out a catastrophe. And you keep putting in borax and warm water until it's not sticky. Look at it, it's so pretty. Woo! All around me are familiar faces, going nowhere, going nowhere. Oh, I love this slime so much. I love this slime so much. This is way more better than it was before. Yeah. It was all hard and stuff. And now it's you kind of sounded like Dennis. Oh no. No, not in there, not in there. Kind of sounded like who? Dennis. Whoa! What was that, Mom? Oh.
What are you doing? Oh.
This slime is really sticky. You sound sad. Why do you sound sad? Yeah.
Thank you.
But I also expect you to do the laundry away today. I'm going to do as much laundry as I can. Do you guys make new slime?
No, this is my other slime.
Why can't
I play with it? We're going to make the mud slime.
Oh, are you? That's fun, yeah.
I can't play with it.
Where's the directions? She won't let you?
Yeah.
Not.
Because I'm playing with it.
We have to take it down a little bit.
Mom.
It's 8 minutes. Okay.
Why do you want to do?
This is fun.
Well, yeah, but maybe for you.
I tried doing the food evolution, Mom.
This
Yeah, and I don't have any more.
is Mom.
Because you beat the whole game. That's why.
This is my mom. Come here. This is my mom. You're on my channel. You're on my channel. Yay. I don't know where this slime goes though.
I don't either.
This slime goes over there
Stuck.
on that.
Oh my gosh, I just upgraded my townhouse.
Can we go somewhere today? Like go swimming or something? Swimming, but I don't have my bathing suit. I can get it at home.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
I can't hear well.
Maybe we could go to...
I just upgraded my town hall.
What's it
Going to
called?
level 5. Yay.
What's that place called with the lazy river and the slides?
The one
Utah?
that we tried to go.
No,
Yeah.
Utah.
Let's go to that.
No, it's the Utah. Like you go around.
No.
No.
What's it called?
Utah pool. No, it's not
Utah pool's not as fun. As this one. I
Utah
think you've
pool
been to this
doesn't
one
have
before.
a lazy
It
river.
has 2 big slides.
A lazy river. A big lazy
I think you've
river.
been there before.
Yeah, I've been so fun. Oh wait, it's not Utah pool. It's the rec center that me and my grandma went to.
Yeah, exactly. Your grandma goes there.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh, I love that place!
But you're still recording, and good thing is, you could live anywhere.
What? In here?
Yeah, no, you can live anywhere. And,
Huh?
yeah, it's obvious that we live in Colorado. Yes.
Why?
There's so many places. Oh my gosh. Colorado is bigger than Washington, D.C. So,
Mommy,
I'm not sure what you're
look!
talking
Look,
about.
Mom!
Whoa! That's pure craziness right there.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one away. If I play with it too much, then it'll turn out like the other one.
I don't plan to do right now.
Nope.
I can add you into my plan. I can do that.
That's why you want me to plan.
We can go to that pool that me and my grandma go to.
No, I just want to do that because I just want you to play. It's a fun game. No.
Satisfying fun pressing. I think I maybe have to end this video because it's 11 minutes long. Yeah, hold on. I got it. Okay. Or we gotta wash all of it off. I'll do that later. We can't take the jiggly slime out. No. Is Dennis in that?
The crew
Woo!
is
Poke.
C-Dank, Poke, Tofu, and Mike.
Who's Mike?
Team Bird.
Team Bird.
Yeah,
Okay, guys. Do we need to end this video? Yeah, it's 12 minutes. Okay, so guys, this is our super... 3 minutes. Okay, so this is our Super Slime Special Part 2. I hope you guys enjoyed. And bye! Bye!